Hey guys, good morning Dubai. Today I have a vlog. I'm so excited to show you guys a lot of dishes that I've cooked up. They're so yummy. I'm gonna show you towards the end of the video. So I also have a vlog with Millie. I just put it in there. We went to Dubai Mall, so I have that filmed as well towards the end. But this part of the vlog is in partnership with Sand and Sky. So I went out yesterday and my skin was busted, and I always like to apply clay masks at least once every week just so that I can detoxify my skin. So the face mask I have on my face right now is the Sand and Sky Australian Pink Clay Pore Fining Face Mask, which helps to detoxify and add more benefits to your skin. Made up of all natural ingredients from Australia and also has pink clay mixed in it. So I have combination skin, and for me clay mask is a must. Like if you have oily skin as well, you always need to have a mask at least once a week, and that's the clay mask, which helps to control the oil production. I have a whole ass factory and also helps with tightening up your pores. You need to keep this for 10 minutes and I promise you it makes your skin so good. And if you're someone who wears clay mask, you can agree to this. Clay mask is your best friend if you have oily skin. This is something I use once a week, or if I have time I use twice a week. So I just put the mask on right now because I just took a shower, and you can see I have my filming setup all ready to film. I like to clear out my skin from last night and see what the fuck. So all my pores are unclogged and now I'm ready to kick my face again. So this is what the box looks like. It's a small cute little pink box. You open it up and the first thing you see is a small little brush to put on your clay mask. Trust me, this is very important because you do run a lot of brushes when you use clay masks. And then this is the clay mask. So yeah, if you want to check this out, I will have all the links listed down below. You can click and you can check it out. I don't think you can see much. I have huge crates on my face and all of them are gone with this face mask. My face looks super clear after this. But yeah, right now it's kind of dried, so I'm just gonna go and wash it up, and then you're gonna see me go to Dubai Mall with Millie. Hello everyone, it's been so long since I did the whole driving and vlogging thing. Now I lost my screw to where I place my vlogging camera, so I'm trying a way to keep it. I don't know what to do. What do I do? I'll just keep it like this. It's gonna fall, isn't it? So I'm actually going to pick Millie now, and I think I'm gonna figure some way out, but for now I don't think I can vlog and talk and film, so we have to wait for Millie to come. So I just parked my car and I'm waiting for Millie to come down. This is so crazy. I think the last time I did a driving vlog with Millie was I think last year, or maybe sometime this year, I don't know. If you're here since 10 subscribers, you know I used to film with Millie, just me and Millie driving and talking shit. This was the content, and we used to just drive and talk shit, and this was my vlogs. I have no friends. I just have Millie. Crazy, right? But anyway, I'm waiting for her dumbass to come any minute. Also, you guys, it's so embarrassing. Can you see I'm wearing how do I show you? Fashion Nova pants, high-waist Fashion Nova pants, if you can tell. I love the brand mainly because they send me free clothes. I'm never gonna talk shit about them. I am that bitch. But I'm just being honest, the zip, if you don't put it up tight, it can slide down as you're walking, and this has happened 7 times. And sometimes I vlog and I think there was one vlog where my zipper was open and everyone's like, your zipper's open, sis. And I'm like, oh my god, okay, let it be, who cares. And there was a time when I was shopping with Millie in Carrefour, and this lady comes to me and she's like, hi. And I'm like, hi, I think she's just here to promote some shit to me. She's like, your zipper is very much open, dear. And I'm like, you're 75 years old. How is your eyesight that good, dear? But anyway, I'm just really glad that she did. But I was so embarrassed, and I'm just like, oh, I kept the zipper open on purpose. And she's like, why would you do that, dear? That's not really appropriate. And I'm like, oh my god, how the fuck, this is so embarrassing. I don't know how to, I can't just admit it was so embarrassing. So I'm just like, oh, I kept it open because if I'm feeling really suffocated, I ate a lot of food, my tummy's bloating out, so I put the zipper down. And she's like, oh dear, I would not suggest walking around like that. There are a lot of perverted men walking around, and you're a beautiful young lady, my dear. Everyone hates me, even grannies hate me, and I'm so upset, I'm so mad. But yeah, that's just my mini Fashion Nova review. Where is this vlog heading to? Where the fuck is Millie? Damn it! Vlog is turning out to a bashful video for Fashion Nova, and if they fucking watch this, they probably won't send me shit. Yesterday, you guys, you won't even believe this. I walked out of my house and my zipper was open. Duh, what's new? And I'm walking and I see all these men. For the first time, they don't look at my face or my fucking breasts. They look down and they're walking, and I'm like, wow. Today, I think it's 2019, men have changed, men have learned. There's no creepy men staring at me or my tits or winking or catcalling me and singing some Eminem trash remix parody into my face. And I'm like, wow, people have changed, men have changed drastically. And then I realize when I come to my car, I look down and my zipper is like wide open. My whole vagina is like hanging out. Everyone saw my clitoris, so that's great. Oh my gosh, that's Mary!
How am I supposed to get in?
I don't know. Yo, guess what? My tripod, like I have a screw here, yeah? I usually put a screw here, and what is he looking at? I
Your
think my
personality.
tits.
No, your personality.
No, I think it's my breast implants. Why am I not able to find it? I know I have it with me, but I forgot where I kept it. I found it! See, this is what happens when you go to church every day, you pray every day, you ask Jesus to give you what you want, bitches. That's how I got my Mac laptop in this.
Jesus ain't watching your ads.
I think he is.
Oh, look at the sky, it's so pretty. It looks like it's about to rain soon.
So we just entered Lifestyle now. They have like makeup. Can I have the NYX HD bronzer and deep tan?
HD bronzer.
You don't have it, really? They don't have my NYX HD bronzer. What do I do? Okay, they don't really have my bronzer. I'm sad. This is what my daughter's gonna wear. She's gonna be an Instagram whore. This is what my man's gonna wear. This is what my side man's gonna wear. This is what Millie's gonna wear and come to my house and be like, hey, can you like check me out like $1 million? And I'm gonna be like, listen up, Aunt Frank, that ain't happening. So we just reached Texas Roadhouse and we reserved a table here. Starving and I can't wait to eat. Oh my god, look at the bun. So these are what, mini slider burgers, and there's potato wedges of fries. We have roasted veggies, chicken and mushroom, and mashed potato. I just took a bite. Best slider burger ever. Do you like it?
A little tough.
Oh. So I just got done with my food. I was starving and look, I've just eaten this much and I'm full. I like the mashed potato. And not a huge fan of chicken, and the veggies are good, yeah. So we just ate food and we are walking, and we're looking for Mac. What's that? Les neri de des. Exorjov. This is Makeup Forever, we know this. Ooh, 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 ooh. La Vie and Rose. Shit, dude, how do people do French? So we entered Mac now. Hi, can I please have Mac Cosmetics Coke Lip Liner?
What?
Yes. Please tell me you have it. Thank you so much. Yes. So we just got done shopping for a lip liner. I can't believe I drove this far for a lip liner, but it's like my heart, my soul.
And you cruising down Crenshaw in a motherfucking 6'4". Come on, say that shit like you believe it, man. Like it's your words, feel this shit. You stop playing around, loosen the fuck up, there you go.
So here's my food. I can't wait to dig in. What is this? Oh, see, there it is. Ooh, can you see this? Whoa, This is a perfect poached egg when it's all wet from inside. This is a really easy dish, you guys. Like really easy. I think anyone can do it. You don't have to be good at cooking. Let me take some veggies. Oh my god, the veggies are so good. The dressing is the best. Like I've tried so many Caesar dressings and they're all horrible. I personally like scrambled eggs or poached eggs. Poaching eggs are also really easy. And for some reason I like my breakfast to be super heavy. Oh shit. Oopsie. Someone's gonna talk shit about this as well. This is so filling. Like, I just finished one egg and I'm so full as it is. This dish does take a lot of time, so that's the reason I don't really make this when it's like university time. I just make this when I'm free, it's the weekend, and I have nothing to do. So yeah, right now it's 10 a.m. and I just had my breakfast, and I'm gonna finish it up or more, but I want to watch Netflix and eat this up. And I have something exciting for lunch, so stay tuned for that.
Like it's a motherfucking Sunday, and you cruising down Crenshaw in the motherfucking 6-4. Come on, say that shit like you believe it, man. Like it's your word, still this shit. Stop playing around, loosen the fuck up, there you go. Like it's a motherfucking Sunday, and you cruising down Crenshaw in the motherfucking 6-4. Come on, say that shit like you believe it, man. Like it's your word, still this shit. Stop playing around, loosen the fuck up, there you go. Like it's a motherfucking Sunday, and you cruising down Crenshaw in the motherfucking 6-4. Come on, say that shit like you believe it, man. Like it's your word, still this shit. Stop playing around, loosen the fuck up, there you go. Like it's a motherfucking Sunday, and you cruising down Crenshaw in the motherfucking 6-4. Come on, say that shit like you believe it, man. Like it's your word, still this shit. Stop playing around, loosen the fuck up, there you go.
So the chef that I watch, she actually made these mushrooms in like an onion ring style, like, you know, with the hole in the center and whatever. She's a chef, she's doing it for a living, she has to make it look presentable. This shit, is going in my tummy. So I don't care about making them look cute or like holes in between. I don't have time, so I just fried like the full-on mushroom, like the whole head by itself, and I just sliced some of them. As you can see, they're deformed, but yeah, they taste really good, and I have some garlic sauce as well. So this is a vegan dish, you can check it out. Even if you're non-veg, you can still try. It tastes really, really good, even though it does look like horse poop. But the second secret I need to tell you is look on the side. Did you just think that was my dinner? This is Dunkin' Donuts and Pizza Hut. All of this, yep, all of it is going in my tummy. My favorite things are vegan. That's my mom. Oh my god, I just found this. Someone just bit a piece. It's my mom. You always have to save your food from your brown family members' kids. Always remember that. And this is my pizza. This piece got demolished at 8 p.m. and this was around 8:30 p.m. So this is also kind of going to be added to the plate because this is not going to fill my tummy. Subscribe, like, comment. Don't click the bell. Click the bell if you want to. I don't give a shit. Stop commenting stupid shit and turn your damn notification bell on. Bye, sluts.